So guys, we are about to do some roasting around the back of the yard here. Yeah, we are doing some roast breadfruit and we're gonna also roast the fish. So we there light up the fire and thing. Let me show you the breadfruit them. That is it. I want breadfruit that. Five breadfruit we're gonna roast. But guess what now? The sky look a little dark. Like we're going to get some rain or something. But we're not using any coal, you know. We're using... what them move the name again? Eh?
Coal hen. Bone hen.
Coal ends. Burn ends. That we are using to roast the breadfruit them. I'm going to show you up in the sky right here now. The look at the sky. But we don't want no rain to fall until we finish. But I don't think it's going to fall. Anyway, let me show you the sky, guys. The sky look... What we would say in Jamaica, we would say it look rainy or bleaky or overcast. So that's what the sky look like today. But we don't want the rain falling until we don't roast up with breadfruit and fish and have a feast. Because everybody hungry right about now. Alright. Fire start with things down here so now. Fireman. Where is it? Not the cable turn. Fireman. Blaze up the fire in no time, guys. You don't know me can't catch the fire so unless me have some kerosene oil, you know. Me have to have kerosene oil. Anyway, stay tuned and see what we are going to do here. Some roast breadfruit and roast fish. Yeah, man. Fire fun. So we catch coal or wood in a Jamaica. So we do it. If we fan it, yeah, if we make it finish, catch up and blaze up. Burn the fire. Fireman! We'll get some nice breeze too. So we're in the processor. Mark the breadfruit at the top and the bottom, but we're going to remove the stem. That is the stem of the breadfruit. So I see something on the breadfruit bottom a while ago. Turn it over, me see. What is that?
Just a drop on it.
Isn't that bee's sting? Or bee's bite? Now that them call it.
Sometimes.
A quick throw it in the fire. See the peeps and look on the bottom and call that either bee's sting or bee's bite. One out of the two. Some breadfruit. Tell me what you do to the breadfruit, boss.
This is culture. You mark the breadfruit that they eat. Enter the breadfruit to the heart so it roasts properly. This is how we do it in jam rock.
Breadfruit in action, roasting, getting a lot of breeze.
Yeah, man, I just breadfruit them right now. And don't over roast and shouldn't over roast.
So we're taking up what is at the bottom and put what's at the top at the bottom. Put what at the bottom at the top.
We go ahead and get a fire. And some fire in the wire. The boss is some chance. The boss said what am I doing?
And look how the turning up peeps. The heart just one drop out. And it's nice with some butter. You ever eat roast breadfruit and butter before? Breadfruit melt the butter.
Yeah, man, that's a man.
One nice so. Down a yard, yeah.
This is one of the advantages of living in the tropics, you know. Sun outside at all time, you can go do what you want to do outdoor. And we say backyard. Yeah.
Backyard feasting, eating, jerking. You name it. It's summer. And we're coming right at you. Alright guys, so you don't know we are on the outside. If you hear any noise, any breeze, any wasp buzzing around, anything at all, we are on the outside. Any car horn, yeah man, we are on the where we there? Outside, 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 outside. Remember that little song there? Alright guys, while me roasting breadfruit them, I am making my sauce for the roast fish. So this is a large tomato and we're just going to cut him up. Yeah, dash him in a plate there and thing. I'm going to show you how you make the sauce. Yeah, this nice when you roast the fish. Roast the fish and use the sauce, guys. Alright. So we're just slicing up our onion. So I just peel off my cucumber. I am just cutting it up to add to our sauce. I'm using a scotch bonnet pepper as well to spice things up, kick things off and spice up my sauce. Hey, the sauce here is simple now guys, easy and simple, and you don't have to go searching for the ingredients and can't find the ingredients. The ingredients is right, it is right at your fingertip. Alright guys, so this is our simple fish sauce. I'm going to just dash in some sea salt and the vegetables then. Alright, then I'm going to put some water. That's how simple it is. Water, nice clean running water, and we're going to give that a good stir to combine. Smell the scotch bonnet pepper. Whoa. So we'll leave this to go and marinate, go and soak and thing. Yeah man, I eat this. A simple fish, roast fish sauce that. Alright, so I will zinc that regular roast the fish in pan. Just put it on. So we need this to get hot first. See fish them there guys. This mega roast up and up on the zinc. So this fish here is a turbot fish. And guess what? We never scale them or anything, you know. Just got them. It's a turbot fish. And this is a jackfish. Big though, look at that. You know this is a big bass one. Yeah. Alright, and I have my favorite over here, Dr. Fish. Dr. Fish is my favorite, guys. Yeah. So we're going over to the zinc now. Roast up time. Roast. Zinc hot. So we just throw on 2 doctors on the zinc. now, so we're going to just turn our fish. This boss one I'm going to like it now and turn so. Big bad curd it. Just put on them doctor so we're not even stress them. Roast some fish in our backyard. Who remember them style there? The roast fish on zinc. Who remember them something here? Oh God, man. Did I tell you guys? My father used to ride, go to Hellshaw, a place named Hellshaw, and catch fish. And anytime he come with him line of fish, him string of fish them. My mother used to do this. Just throw them on the zinc. Yeah, she not even scrape them. She just drop out the belly. Yeah, she just guts them and throw them on the zinc and make a sauce. The same sauce that we see me make, guys. And trust me, the whole of we just sit and have fun on our back eating fish and everything. You know? Those were the days. Them days were nice. Anyway, who remember them type of something here? Comment and let me know. This nicer than wrapping fish in a file paper. Yeah man, this is the real thing. Me wrap fish in a file paper too, you know guys, but me I tell you say this, you see I me a son where I go on, yo, nothing no nice like this. Alright, our breadfruit, this guys are the turn one this. I will eat with the fish and now on taste. So this is our next breadfruit. Bust him in two. Alright, we just remove them fish here now guys. They're ready to go. Good to go. Everybody come with them plate. The breadfruit smell nice, you see man. Hot though, you know. J plate. Alright. So this is how we turn it. Well roast. Bam! Alright guys, we add on the sauce here now to the fish. Yeah man, that's how we do it. Taste him up and tell you what I go on now. Fleshy. Toss up some of this, dash out some of it and we curd it as well. Yeah. And guys, when you see this, you know this is my plate. Dr. Fish is what I love. I'm just dashing out some sauce. Alright, I eat that. With the fish white and fleshy. We are bust up our next breadfruit, guys. Breadfruit and cheese, guys. Have you ever had this before? So the breadfruit is hot enough, so we expect it to melt the cheese. Alright, so that's supposed to melt. Guys, have you ever had roast breadfruit and cheese? So we cut the breadfruit basically and put the cheese in it. So let's reveal. So this is the cheese, well melted. See that, guys? Yeah, well melted in the breadfruit, so you know that. Nice. Have you ever had this before? Comment and let us know. Nice. Look at that. Look at that. Dr. Fish roasting. People make war for the fish and the fish then as the fish land. As the fish land feeds the fish done. Look at this young man plate. Look at that. Eat off the whole of the turbot and start from the Dr. Fish them. Bad so. And this is breadfruit and cheese, guys. This is a Jamaican thing. Whoa. Whoa. This is a Jamaican thing. Yeah, man. Guys, night come catch us eating our roast fish. This roast fish was epic. Nice, guys. Tomato all over the place. Look at that. Some cucumber.